This is Randy Lindsay with Hawkeye Traders. Yesterday I gave you a very crude conversation about crude oil, about my expectations for crude oil. The crude oil report was coming out yesterday, and today I want to show you exactly how that played out. I gave you some very specific information and advice yesterday, and I wanted to follow up with that on today's presentation. Here's a 3-minute chart of crude oil. Back to yesterday's news announcement that came out right at 10:30. You can see the price bar that was formed from the news gave me a channel. I mark the high and the low of that channel, and I trade the trends that result from the channel. Yesterday I told you that the targets I was looking at to the high side was 53.80 and to the downside was 52.50. So those were the numbers I was looking at initially, but I didn't know which way it was going to go first. So that's why I made the bracket. I draw a line on the high and the low of the news bar, and then I wait. I wait for price to show me after consolidation where it wanted to go. And it was right here about 11:15 that I started to get a break, but I didn't get enough to enter. It was right here when my alignment signals occurred that I was actually able to identify an entry. From that entry, I could see the initial push up to very close to 53.80 target. However, understanding volume and price, I got a big, wide, engulfing red volume bar telling me that this trade direction was over. I did get two other push-ups here, but notice none of those were engulfing bars, and none of those were followed on by red volume. So once I saw this bar, I knew the trade direction was probably over, and the trade could have been taken for at least 14 cents profit. 14 cents is $140 per contract. Price action failure, price action failure. I'm looking now for a potential downtrend. The trend started here when I got again another alignment using my volume Hawkeye radar and Hawkeye Roadkill. And is at that point, you can see that the potential entry would have given us 44 cents, 73 cents, or 78 cents based upon average true range and price. If you unlock the levels tool, you can see at this point of entry that a 3-to-1 risk reward was taken, a 5-to-1 was taken, and then the resulting final lot taken off after a price extension and failure of price to rotate. Very clear, very easy to trade, very easy to understand. We teach this and other ways in all of our training and classrooms. If you want to learn more, get a copy of our free ebook on this page. Come to our training room every Wednesday at 9:30, or get your very own copy of our software by clicking the link below and taking a 14-day trial. Thank you very much.